Number 5 on our list of top 10 access to justice research priorities, inducing action. So it turns out that you can provide all of the information that you think folks might need to take action to do some, or to face some problem or address some problem that they're facing. But you still need to focus on whether the individual will in fact take the action that they need to take. And what I mean by this is we specifically design courts in the United States to be intimidating. We want them to be austere. We want them to instill a sense of majesty in many instances. In some cases it's not like that, but in many cases it is, and we may have good reasons, or what we think are good reasons for that. The court system has neither the purse nor the sword, and it nevertheless needs to induce compliance, and so it scares people, or it intimidates them, or it makes them think grandiose thoughts when they walk into a courthouse. That also, however, can have the effect of making the court system pretty off-putting, and be a pretty unpleasant place to go into. And we've seen this over and over again in our research, particularly in the debt collection area, where folks say, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to go to court. And we ask them, well, how do you feel about that? And they say, I feel ashamed, I feel guilty, I don't want to go, I just want it to be over. And so this is an area in which we're going to have to persuade people to take action, to educate them, to show them that the court system is a place where they can do business, and get them in a psychological framework to where they can receive information in order to take the action needed to achieve their legal goals. And in some cases this might be something as simple as a no-fault, no asset divorce. I just don't want to be married anymore. But the idea of getting to a courthouse, I have to file a lawsuit to do that. I have to sue somebody in order to achieve this desired state of not being married anymore. And so this is an area in which it's not just all about law. It's also about psychology and understanding where people are coming from and their reluctance to engage in the legal system. And there are lots of lessons, unsurprisingly, from fields like psychology, from public health, from behavioral economics that can help us here. We at the Access to Justice Lab are eager to deploy those lessons and then to test them to see if they work in law.